Right, so let's look at some useful phrases. What to do. Your interests. Doing this, doing that. Talking about the things you like or don't like. So, what are your interests? What are your interests? What are my interests? What are his interests? Interests. What do you like to do? I like this, I like that, I don't like this. Okay. What are you interested in? What are you interested in? I am interested in sightseeing. I am interested in exploring. I am interested in... Name your subject. Tell me what you like. Take it from there. I like to learn, read, write, and beyond. Let's have learn. I like to learn. I'm learning Spanish. I'm learning every day more and more Spanish. And I'm thinking of learning French and Arabic, but that's for the future. But I like to learn. Work with my brain, not with my hands. Yeah. I like going to the cinema. The cinema. I like going to the cinema. I like going to bars. I like going to nightclubs. I like to dance. Yes. I like to socialise, meet new people, and dance. Yeah, sure. It depends on things, but dance. Why not? Why not? I prefer to... You have two choices, or three, or four, or five, but I prefer... You got blue or red? I prefer red. Yeah, more so. I prefer red. I prefer to dance. Let's have that, dance. I prefer to, maybe could even say, exercise or gym. Yeah, I prefer to anything. I prefer to go to the gym. Possible? I prefer this. I prefer that. I prefer going to a nightclub. I prefer going, walking, making our way to a nightclub. Not to a bar, to a nightclub. I prefer going to a nightclub. I prefer going to a nightclub more than a bar. Nightclub, bar. Nightclub. Exactly. I prefer that than to this. Makes sense. I don't. Oh no. I don't. Oh, no thank you. No thank you. I don't drink. I don't drink. I don't dance. Let's think. What don't I do? I don't... You could say, I don't smoke. A cigarette there. Yeah, don't smoke. Don't smoke. I'm interested in going to that bar. I'm interested in going to that nightclub. I'm interested in going there. I'm interested in going there. Why not? I'm interested in that. I'm interested in that. I'm interested in that. What is that? I'm interested in ancient Egyptian history. Why not? I'm interested in history, science, business, philosophy. Yes. I'm interested in driving. I'm interested in adventure. Adventure. I'm interested in language. 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 I can speak Spanish, and I'm thinking, not sure when, as I said earlier, not sure when, thinking to start learn French and Arabic. They'll be useful languages, but not sure when. Depends on priorities and objectives and goals. But later. Soon. When it's more important. I'm interested in seeing a movie. Seeing a movie at the cinema. Makes sense. I'm interested in seeing that movie. That movie, yeah. That one. That's boring. That is boring. Boring. This is boring. This is boring. This is very boring. Very, very boring. And then you have very exciting. That's exciting. Exciting. That's very exciting. Exciting. How cool is that? So, what are your interests? What are you interested in? I like going to the cinema. I like to dance. I prefer going to a nightclub. I don't drink. I'm interested in seeing a movie. That's boring. This is boring. This is boring. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.